Welcome everyone. I am Ujjwal Pal. Today we will solve a LeetCode problem step by step. The problem number is 273, which is integer to English words. Let's see the problem description. Convert a non-negative integer num to its English words representation. So let's see the examples. So 123 will be 123 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 will be 12,345 like this, and the constraints are the number will be from 0 to 2 to the power 31 minus 1, which is the int max value. Okay, so let me discuss the algorithm with you. So first, our target will be to compute or to convert the number from its from number to its word representation, the numbers from 0 to 99. If we convert the numbers from 0 to 99, we can convert any of the numbers. We will see how we can convert it, but the main target is to convert the numbers from 0 to 99. So to solve this problem, we need the strings of each of the numbers, and for some of the special numbers like 10, 20. So we will use an another map to store number and along with its string representation. Okay, so I have I'm creating it. So I'm creating it globally in the class, and on order map int comma it will be string type. So np equal to, so this will be the numbers which we need. You can find these numbers in the description box below. I will provide it. So you can see from 0 to 20, all the numbers I have written with the string representation. And after 20, we have all the numbers who are divisible by 10, their representation. Because beside this, you can imagine any number, let's say 67. So 60 will come from this 60, and the 7 will come from this. So you can imagine any number from 0 to 19, it can be represented in its word form by using these are the strings. Okay, so our first target will be this, to use this map to convert the number from 0 to 99, and then we will think the rest of the part, like billion, billion, million, thousand and hundred, this kind of thing. So after converting 0 to 99, let's think about 100 to 999. Okay, so from 100 to 999, we will get the extra part, which is 100. So if we exclude the 100 part, the rest of the word will be like 0 to 99. Let's say any number like 653. The 53 will be converted like the algorithm I already told you how to convert the 0 to 99, all the things. And the 600 will be converted by 6, and we will add the 100 string after that. Okay, like this. And for 1000 also, we will mod it by 1000, and we will get the 20,000, 50,000. The 50 will come from this, I have already told you. So 60 will come from the previous algorithm, and the 1000 we will add it by explicitly. Okay, like this, and same as million and same as billion. Okay, let's see how the code will look like. So first we will check if the num is equal to 0 or not. If it is equal to 0, then we will just return 0. Okay, that's it. And else, first we need a answer string, which will be initially an empty string. So if you can see, the maximum number will be int max, which is 2.1 billion. Okay, 14 billion and something. And so first thing which we have to consider is billion. So if the number is greater or equal to 1 billion, 1 billion means 1 after 9 times 0. Okay, 9 times 0, it is 1 billion. If it is greater than equal to 1 billion, so we will add answer plus equal to first the how much billion it is, 1 billion, 2 billion, something like that. So maximum could be 2 billion. Okay. So I already told you 2.14 billion something is the value, it will be the maximum value. So it could be 1 or 2. Okay. So just adding map of num divided by 1 billion, it will give the integer part how much billion it is. And after finding the from map, its value will be 1 or 2. We can get it from the map. So after that we just need to add a billion word after that. So billion. Okay. And we need a space after the billion. I will told you how we why we need the space, because to separate that. So and we already, you can see, after each word I have added one space here. Okay, so we do not need the space in front of the billion. We will already get it from the map, and we need one space after the billion. Okay, that's it. We handle the billion part. Now comes the million part. So if the okay, one thing, after adding it to the answer, we have to decrease the num also, like the number. So number will be mod equal to 1 billion, because we already handled the 1 billion. Now the rest of the part we will convert it in the string. So we will mod it by 1 billion. So after that, if the number is greater equal to 1 million, which means 1 and second 6 zeros after that. So this is 1 million, same as answer plus equal to. And now if you think 1 million, it could be from 1 million to 999 million, because 1000 million is 1 billion. So it could be from 1 to 999 million. So we cannot write the map of num divided by 1 million, because map we don't have like 1 million, like 999 in map. So what we can do, we can just call the recursion function to get the value. We will use num divided by 1 million. So it will give how much million it is, and the integer part we will consider that the recursion function will give the exact word, and after that it will give the this function, recursion function will give, do not add any extra space at the end. So we have to add extra space and one string which is million, and one extra space after that also. So now we have handled the million part. Now comes the thousand part. And same as after doing that, we have to decrease the num by modding it with 1 million, because we have already handled the million part. Now we have to handle the rest of the part. So if num is greater equal to 1000, so then same algorithm, answer plus equal to, this is also would be from 1000 to 999,000, because 100,000 like 1000 times 1000 will be 1 million. So it could be from 1000, 2000, like that up to 999,000. So we can also use recursion function here, same recursion function. Just we need to write num divided by 1000. So we will get how much 1000 it is, and the recursion function will give the exact word, and it do not add the like an extra space at the end. So we need extra space, and after that we need 1000, and then one extra space. That's it. And after that we have to all mod the number, num mod equal to 1000. That's it. Now 1000 part already handled. Now comes the 100 part. So same algorithm, nums greater equal to 100. Now see, 100 could be from 100, 200, 300, like this up to 900. So the integer part will be 1 to 9. After dividing it by 100, it could be 1 to 9. It won't go beyond 9. So we can either use map of like this, map of num divided by 100, or we can use also the recursion function. So I will use the map to search here. So just np of num divided by 100, because it will be from 1 to 9 and we have 1 to 9 already written in the map. So we don't need the recursion function. We can just find it from the map. So map of num divided by 100, and it will, as we are taking it from map, it will already added one extra space at the end. So we don't need another space. So we just need to put 100, and that after 100 we need one extra space. That's it. Now comes the main part, where we have to handle the all the numbers from 1 to like 99. So first we check if the number is greater than, okay, here you have to same number will be mod equal to 100, because we have already handled the beyond 100 part, so we need the rest of the numbers. So we'll mod it and we check if the number is greater than 0 or not. If it is greater than 0, then we do not need to add anything. So if we check it is greater than 0 or not, so we will understand if there is some number we have to convert it or not. So if it is greater than 0, that means we now have to convert. It can be from 1 to 99. So if you see the map, we already have 0 to 20 and all the numbers who are divisible by 10. So we will check that if the number is less equal to 20, or if the number divided mod 10 equal to 0. If it is, then just simply add it. Now answer plus equal to np of num. It will add it to the end of the string, because we already have the string, so we do not need to like find anything. So we will add it. Else, if there is like some rest element also, so then answer plus equal to np of, first we need the, like for example 47. So we need the 40 from this and the 7 from this. Okay, like that. So to get the 40, first we need to divide num divided by 10 to get the integer part, and to get 40 we will again multiply it by 10. So we get the 40, 60, 50, like that, and plus it will give that part and along with a extra space at the end, and then we need to add the num divided by sorry, num mod 10. It will give the integer like 1 to 9, up to 9. It will not give 0, because we already check if it is divisible by 10, we will just add it. So it will not, it will give, this will give up 1 to up to 9. So we already have the string from 1 to 9, so we can just get it from the map. That's it. Now if you see, after this if statements, we have our answer string along with one space at the end. Okay, so we need to remove the space at the end. So we'll do answer dot pop back, so that the extra space parted off. After we pop back, we can just return answer. Okay, that's it. Let's see, will it work? It is accepted. Let's submit it. So it is submitted. Let me discuss the time and space complexities with you. So the space complexity will be, we are just storing some of the values, integers along with the strings. So it will be constant, because it is not depending on the length or the inputs or given inputs. So we are just creating some of the like numbers along with the string. So it will be big of constant, the space complexity. And the time complexity, we are not using any loops here, but we are using recursion function. It will also take constant time to convert it. Okay, because this is the part, it will also take like constant time to convert the number into its word. So the overall time complexity will also be big of constant, or you can say big of 1. So thanks for watching. If you want to check out the code, you will find it in the description box below. So that's it for today. See you in the next video.